Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you very nice Korean traditional side dish, salted and fermented squid Jeotgal. First of all, take 800 grams of squid, for example squid tentacles, and make sure that they are absolutely clean. So just remove a beak, and it's not necessary to remove skin, because it's alright to cook with skin, and it's almost impossible to remove all skin easily. You can use whole squid body, but sometimes tentacles are much cheaper. Yeah, this is big, remove it. And now open the squid tentacles and remove all outstanding bits from eggs and things like that. So, and wash them quite well. Later on you need to separate all tentacles and chop off the head and slice it thinly. So everything should be sliced very thinly. And now separate every single tentacles from its bunch, and then cut alongside every thick tentacle to make it much thin, and it's salted better and it's much easier to eat. And if it's too long, cut it in half as well. So they should be very thin slices, really. That's it. You can see how it's easily to do it with very sharp knife. So when it's ready, you need to slice ginger and garlic. So just make thin slices and that's it. Now mix your squid with 6 tablespoons of coarse rock salt or sea salt, and add all your chopped garlic and ginger. Mix well, and don't forget about 4 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. But wine is optional. If you don't have it, don't use it. It's alright to do without wine. So cover with film and leave it for a couple of days to salt. And now let's talk about the ingredients. The list is so big that it's easier to read in the description, the full list of them. Okay, next day, or after a couple of days, wash your squids from all the moisture and all salt outside, and remove ginger and garlic from there. You don't need them anymore. They already do whatever they should do there. And now let's slice garlic again. Now do it very thinly, as thin as it's possible. And then slice ginger very thinly. Chop your chili once, and also onion. Slice it thinly as well. So everything should be sliced quite thin. And now add to your squid all these chopped vegetables. 1 tablespoon of coarse sea salt, 6 or even 8 tablespoons of gochujang, Korean chili flake, 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, 4 tablespoons of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and mix it very well. When you mix it, cover with cling film and leave for fermenting at the temperature around 10 to 15 degrees over 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks it should be fermented. Of course you can keep it in the fridge, but then it should be fermented much longer in the fridge. And now this side dish is ready, so take a little bit. Do remember it's extremely hot, so don't take too much. Yeah, just 1 small portion will be enough for a whole meal. And then take 1 slice, add to the rice and try it. And I would like to say that it's absolutely delicious. Amazing. That's it. So it's traditional way of doing salted squid in Korea. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and wait for new interesting video. Thank you. Bye.